Good morning, Miss T. Hi, my name is Esther. I'm your CNA for today. How is your day going? Great. So I'm going to take your dentures and clean them and also provide oral and mouth care on you. Is that okay? Okay, great. So I would provide privacy, go wash my hands, gather my supplies, and we will get into it, okay? I'm going to take the dentures with me to the sink. I'm going to set the denture down and open it. Then I can wash my hands. Need a clean barrier or a clean surface, and then I'm gonna need a towel, a small towel. Basin, brush. This is going to be used as my denture brush with a smaller side on the opposite side and a tip. Two sets of gloves and a cup of water. So now I'm going to go ahead and prepare my denture brush with paste. I'm going to put a small amount on both sides because this is a denture brush. It has to have the other side too. So I'll put a small amount there. I'm going to keep this in my emesis basin. Take my small towel, my emesis basin, my gloves, and I'll go to the sink. At the sink, I'm going to set my emesis basin on. I'm going to line the sink with a towel and turn on the cold water only the cold water. So now let's put on our gloves. Denture from the denture bowl, turn it upside down. Use the smaller part of the denture brush to clean the groove. By rinsing it first, I'm going to clean the groove and make sure it's neat. Rinse it out. And then I'm going to use the bigger side of the brush to clean the teeth and the gum. Outward the gum, just as you're cleaning a natural teeth. And I'm going to rinse it out. And keep it in the emesis basin. At this point, I'm going to rinse the denture brush out. I'm going to go ahead and pour out the old water in the denture cap and rinse it out. After rinsing, I'm going to put clean, fresh, cold water in it and keep my denture back in. Cover it. Get a clean paper towel and put it on it. Turn the faucet off and take it back to the room. Miss T, your denture is cleaned. I'm going to put it on your bedside table and then I'll be right back. I'm going to take my towel out and put it in my hamper, and I will take this to Miss T's table. I'm going to remove our denture brush and I'll take off my dirty clothes. and hygiene. So, Miss T, I'm going to go ahead and assist you with your oral care, okay? Let me cover or protect your linen with this towel. And then prep my T-tips. This is what we're going to be using because Miss T at this point have no teeth. Set it down and keep it here. So I soaked this sponge in water first to make it nice and moist. Would you like to rinse your mouth before we begin? Okay. Can you open up your mouth for me because I'm going to be cleaning your mouth. I'm going in onto the side, clean up and down to the other side, up and down, clean the surface of the teeth. Okay, amazing. Now, Miss T, we're about to rinse your mouth out. Here you go. Can you spit it out? Would you like another round of water? And you spit it out. Good job. Let me wipe your lips. Okay, we are done. I'm going to take this off you and put it in and discard this, clean the basin and store it. So whatever Miss T spit out, I'm going to discard, turn on the water, I'll rinse it out. Basin down. I'm gonna pick the basin up with a clean paper towel, wipe the inside after sanitizing and outside. Take another clean paper towel. At this point, I'm at the bedside and I'm going to be storing the basin, the toothbrush, and the tooth-tip. This is the tooth-tip. Oh, and the denture brush. We store the basin, the toothbrush, and the toothpaste. The tooth is going into the trash. That I'm going to discard and keep the cap, and I'll take away the pad. All of these are going in the trash. At this point, I'm going to take off my gloves. Go wash my hands and I'll be right back. Okay, so after taking off my gloves, I'm gonna make sure Miss T is comfortable. I'm gonna give her a call light, open the privacy blanket, open the privacy curtain, and ensure that she's actually safe. Are you okay? Is everything comfortable? Do you need me to turn on your light? Okay, your chair brakes are on. I'm going to wash my hands and I will be done.